Welcome to a new episode and video on my Raspberry Pi 2 running Ubuntu Linux and ROS robot operating system. When you look at it, you can only see the top, which is not Raspberry Pi but serial Pi Plus, with the serial monitor, serial cable actually, monitored through Minicom. And attached to it are the HDMI cable for monitor and a network cable for the VNC. And of course what you can see is the band cable towards this breadboard, which has several parts of electronics as well as fischertechnik. And then this cable, of course, which is attached to the GPIO you just saw. Now, fischertechnik is, in this case, a motor with propeller, phototransistor and an LED. And last time everything worked in the sense that with the first package I created on this, the hardware worked, so I can press this button and then this LED starts burning. When I then shine a light on this phototransistor, this LED starts blinking, and then also this LED and this propeller with motor with propeller starts working. And apart from that, things go wrong, because the messages that I tried to implement to get everything separated working, so one message for the LED, one message for the motor, one message for the transistor, that goes wrong. Why? I still don't know. So to check if other packages or another new package did work or would work, I created one, and that wouldn't even compile, wouldn't even work. Another one exactly the same, and then I'm talking about not the robot Pi package, but about first the motorics package and then the mechanics package, or the other way around, whatever. And last time I found out, or the one before that, I found out that there was a difference in package version. Last time I tried to modify package XML file to get it working, and that failed. So right now let me first see if this works, and with this I mean the hardware on the breadboard and the fischertechnik parts attached to it. So and then I first realized that I have to, of course, start a raw score first. Otherwise nothing will work. So raw score has started now. Very nice. Then let's make sure that the publisher works. That one works. And then subscriber works. And yes, propeller works, LED works. Then I will try to get an LED working, which would be very nice if it did. Okay, does this work? Yes, that works. So why does this green LED not work? I'm not quite sure. Oh, yes, I am sure. Because there's a wire out. And I think it should be there somewhere. Let me test. Yes, that's the good one. And then everything works. So, with the hardware fully tested, let's check for the rest. So, with everything set, as you can see, again, 2 VNCs to get the video feeds over the laptop, and this is then the Minicom serial monitor. So everything you see here, you'll see actually on the Raspberry Pi, as is this. Yeah, what to do? Well, finding out, of course, why the Motorix publisher or the Motorix package won't run at all. So, first of all, this is a clear response. Then, looking at the yellow line, this is a clear response. And the rest varies with various actions. Anyway, end of this one, end of the subscriber and publisher of RaspberryPi. What next? Well, let me first add another terminal window and make sure that I source the whole setup, otherwise it won't find any package at all. And let's once again find this package. And yes, it was actually the first package after RaspberryPi. But will it work? Well, answer is no. Will a Motorix package run? And it is Motorix pub.py. Will this run? No, it won't. Well, the point is, of course, also that I did adapt Motorix, I think. So let me check on the package XML. No, I haven't changed that yet because this is still in package format 2. So I have to go to Mechatronics.pi, and then I hope this one was changed. Yes, I did change it here to package. Is this actually the same as the other one? Well, let's quickly take a look at that one. This is the original package. Well, the first 2 lines are exactly the same. Then, of course, Mechatronics.pi is different from RaspberryPi. It's a different package. Goes without much discussion, if any at all. Then this should be alright. So let's go down. I see a build tool, which is exactly the same. Then build depend ROS CPP, build depend ROS Pi, build depend standard message, build depend message generation, run depend. They're all the same. Going further down, nothing. going further down, what do we see? Export slash package. End of story. Still, it won't run. What other possibilities do I have? This. No. This I have. And that doesn't look so strange at all. Actually, it's kind of the same story. Alright, let's run this through. Mechatronics Pi message. Okay, I'm here with Motorix package. Alright, let's close this one. Okay, that was not the idea. This one. Yeah, this is the only package that I have. So, that is alright. So, where do we get next? Generate messages. Yeah, right here. It is exactly the same. Then, further down, because this is what I didn't do last time. Catkin package, important one as it has shown. And here says catkin depends, ROS, CPP, etc. And that is exactly the same as well. Include directories. Ah, look at that. Here we see a difference. It doesn't build. Or does it? Include directory. Yeah, it does build. Include directories. This one is actually commented out, so these directories are alright. Step by step. Install. What does it install? Does it install anything anyway? No. Right, end of story. Where to go from here? How to check, what to check. I haven't been able to find any more information, but I am going to create yet another message and see with the bare information from the tutorial, this one, whatever happens. So I am going one step back. Then and this is something else, because there is also this. The last package I made with catkin create package. Well, the first one I created with ROS create package. So I am first going to create, now going to do with ROS create, and I'm scrolling let's just say Anders, which is different in Dutch, and then say, alright, which ones do I need? I need standard message, I need RaspberryPi and ROS CPP. Standard messages, right? Yeah. RaspberryPi and ROS CPP. Right, exactly this. What will be the difference? Oh wait, that's a typo. This is correct. Now I'm very curious. Right. So I'm going to go here. And it has all this. Now mind that, let me erase this one. What is the difference? CMakelist include no main page, a make file, which is not here, a manifest, which is not here, source. So this is different. What's in source? Nothing. But it does not have a package XML. It has a manifest XML. Let's view manifest XML. That's it. This is exactly the same as that package XML, or kind of anyway. So let's view now for RaspberryPi. What does that have? Exactly the same. Or is it? Not really. CMakelist include, yeah, message has come later, but it has a package XML and scripts and source. Scripts I had to make later. Message came later. But if this has a package XML and this one does not have a package XML, what to do? Sounds like I need catkin create XML or something like that. So I'm going out of here, remove it. Alright. And now catkin create XML, because that is what this said. Catkin create package. What happens now? Yeah, right. Underscore. Successfully created. And the package XML package format 2. So now I'm left with even more confusing elements, because I certainly know that I created the RaspberryPi package with ROS create, not with catkin create, and it is certainly package format 1. Well, it doesn't have, well, it does have a package XML which is not created with ROS create. So how come the difference? Has there been an update somehow? I'm getting to a complete loss of whatever there may be. And then I find something rather interesting. As you know, I am following or trying to follow tutorials, and tutorials, well, they may have mistakes, but with ROS there is also something called Wikipedia, or more appropriately wiki.ros.org. And in the Wikipedia you can find anything, all versions, and each version has a description of the package, and in which it might vary between the packages. And for information, I started with Fuerte, then Groovy, and the last one I used for a while was Hydro, then for a job I used Indigo, and now I'm using Kinetic. So I have myself some history with ROS. And ROS create is a package that has some information. ROS create package actually. Now the same with catkin create. Alright, it doesn't have a package, but does it have here? No, it doesn't. So is this wrong? Well, that's interesting, because this is the command catkin create package, and as you can see, catkin create doesn't have anything, and neither does this. So where does it come from? And I do think that it may be part of, for instance, catkin package, but it doesn't say so. So whatever the problem is, I haven't figured out yet, but this is clearly something to figure out first before going on. This is used for creating any package, apparently version independent. This, oh by the way, Groovy or Hydro started using catkin. Before that they used a different package manager. Let's see if I can find back which one it was. Anyway, doesn't matter. It was a different thing, and this doesn't work. How to go on? Well, first finding out what the difference is, because right now, as I said before, it is confusing that a RaspberryPi was created using ROS create, has package version 1 but not package and with package XML, well, doesn't create one. So whatever happens, happens. This has to be continued anyway. And whichever way that will be, I don't know yet. And with that, I am at the end of this video. So let's check if the original package that I created, RaspberryPi, still works. Starting the publisher, starting the subscriber, and alright, not quite alright. For some reason this doesn't burn, but being careful enough, well, the green LED burns, and with that, if I shine on this one, the red one starts to work, so I'm fine with that. Enough left for last time. Version check, command check, and once I know that, I can check out other things and maybe get back to where I started with, which is different messages, because that's what ROS is also all about, messages, not just packages. For now, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a message. I always answer. You can also follow me on Twitter. If you do, please retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. More information on my website. Please donate to keep videos coming to you. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. Up to you. And this is obviously going to be continued, and whatever may happen, happens, but this is far from over. Once again, thank you for watching, and bye bye.